In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, to whom we all have to beg. Honorable listeners and respectable audience, you know that we have started a series of linguistics. In linguistics, we commenced the chapter that is known as discourse analysis. Listeners and audience, today I'm going to teach you speech event. What is speech event? What is the example of speech event? What things are included in speech event? First of all, I'm going to define speech and then speech event with examples. Listeners and audience, whenever we are talking about speech event, speech refers to the communication or the verbal communication of thoughts, ideas, messages, and spoken languages, and which includes pitch, tone, words, and some other paralinguistic features. On the other hand, when we are talking about speech event refers to a specific situation where a speech is taken place in a specific context in which the purpose and the participants, they are important. And speech event includes the context, the setting, the participants, the message, and the feedback. Listeners and audience, whenever we are talking about the setting refers to the place where a speech takes place, where a speech occurs and happens. In addition to this, message refers to the contents in the speech. It may be verbal cues, non-verbal cues, and words. And connected to this, we also have feedback. Feedback is actually a response of the participants with each other. One is asking question and another answers. It may be positive feedback or negative feedback, but mostly positive feedback. And participant means those who are participating in the speech event. Like in the interview, we have interviewer and interviewee. Listeners and audience, we also have a purpose in it. Purpose includes that what is the intention in the speech event which is taking place. Like the purpose of their speech is to inform or to entertain or to persuade. In other words, speech event refers to a situation where a speech is taken place in a context with a setting, with a purpose, along with the participants. So this is called a speech event.